seeing me hustle in real time because I grieved for that hour. Honestly, I ain't got time. I gotta make stuff happen. My only options are figure out what I can do or go back to the US. So you guys are gonna be hustling with me, see what I can do to make it work. If not, I'm leaving. I mean, I'm not gonna stress about it, but here I am. I gotta go all the way to the American church in Paris because this place is well known to have like English job postings, housing announcements, and all that. So let's hope that I find something there. Honestly, my ideal thing would be not to be an au pair again. I'm not even looking into au pair families. Being an au pair comes with this kind of insecurity. Like for me, it's insecure. If the family decides they don't like you, you lose your housing, like I just did. So I don't want to do that. No one can be in control of my housing and my security but myself.
I'm my own person. I'm a strong black woman.
But here's the CN. As of right now, I seem to be going through the stages of grief pretty fast. I cried for like 30 minutes because I was just really upset. And now I'm like, okay, I wanted to talk about it, but he didn't even give me the decency to converse. And that's what the big issue is for me, because they never told me that they had any issues with me. And then this happens and they didn't even talk about it to me. And when I was trying to ask like what went wrong, he wouldn't explain. He's like, oh, I don't feel like arguing with you. And I'm like, I'm not even arguing. I just want to understand. I'm so lucky to have done so much research before I came to Paris in the first place, to know that I can come here to look for listings. Alright y'all, so you can see all of this. I mean, it's really not much, so don't know if I'm gonna find anything from there. Here's the church, if by chance you guys are interested in how it looks. Of course, the architecture is beautiful. It's a church in Paris. You expect nothing less than awesome. So I decided I wanted to come and have a little moody moment beside the Seine, take in the Paris landscape, because it could be taken from me if we're gonna be real. Although, sure, I don't want that to happen, but that's a possibility that I won't be seeing it. Y'all, I don't have to work for the next 2 weeks and I got paid and I'm gonna get more money. I'm actually pretty happy about that. Although an unfortunate event, I got money that's not gonna be taken away from me and I'm gonna get more money and my Navigo is paid for. You know, you gotta look at the optimistic things, right?
Hallelujah.
Hey y'all, I'm on the river because I forgot to vlog all day. I've been super busy today. I like scheduled 1,000 meetings for jobs. Had an interview with like an immersion school. That went great. I just finished an interview with a possible nannying job. That went great. Technically, I still have like 2 more interviews tonight. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. I don't know if I want to, because both of the jobs that I interviewed today want me to start. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might just follow through, because you never know what comes up and I want to be safe and not miss opportunities. Right now I must take a break, and even though I'm super busy, I decided to try to look cute and presentable and wear my boots, and my toes might fall off before I finish all my interviews today. But right now I'm gonna meet with other au pairs because there's an APOP event today and I just feel like I need to see other people, other au pairs, friends right now. So we're gonna go meet them. I'm late, of course, but we're gonna meet them now. Son chapelle. These stairs are not made for people with size foot over 9. So, Aaron's hosting today's APOP event. So
so fun.
Yeah, have you been having fun?
Yeah,
This is your first event you hosted?
Yes.
I love hosting. I thought it was so fun.
I think it's fun. Show people what I love about Paris, which is so much to tell.
It's gorgeous. I never even knew. I want to say hi, I'm vlogging. Hi. Oh my gosh, there's so many people. Wow. Okay. Oh, of course. Just finished hanging out with the au pairs. Forgot to vlog more. We went to a bar after we went to Saint-Chapelle. I am on to interview number 3, and then right after I have interview number 4 today. So far the first 2 went well. Pretty sure both interviewers want me to work for them. So the question would be more of me finding accommodation that will accept me as an American, as someone who doesn't have a security deposit and all of that. Might have to get a roommate for a few months.
2 days later.
I'm so overwhelmed with me having to find a new job, find a place. I've been contacting a lot of people. I've been doing a lot of interviews, and a lot of people have been contacting me back, and I don't expect it. Like I'm grateful because I have a lot of experience, but I put in like a lot of job applications, and I posted about myself in like a nannying Facebook group. There's so many people that have sent me messages in the past 2 days, and so many apartments that have contacted me in the past 2 days and trying to set up a meeting with me, and I'm just overwhelmed because it's like, how am I gonna manage all this time? And you guys can see how fast I'm talking because I'm so overwhelmed, and this is how my brain is working right now. Like literally, I had to take a step back yesterday, and today I haven't responded to anyone, and people are like, where are you, girl? Because we're trying to contact you, we're trying to give you this job, and I'm just like, I need space. Whew, that was a lot, guys. So we're just gonna take a moment because I desperately need this. So you guys are gonna get me in my pure form, just hanging out here, because this is my life right now, and I want to be more vulnerable and more honest and show you guys this part. This is the not glamorous part. This is my life right now, and all I can do is learn to take it one day at a time, one moment at a time, and try my best to keep my mental health in check instead of pushing it all in and not dealing with it, because I'm learning how important it is for me to take a step back and be like, hold on, I need a second to process, I need a second to express and to exist. One of the things that I swear by, that I use like every single day, is Insight Timer. It's an app full of so many meditations. Insight Timer is golden.
We will be covering the topic of overwhelm in my taking through